Did you know that you can dry herbs from your garden in less than 5 minutes, just in case you don't have any of the dried stuff on hand? So today I'm drying lemon myrtle, and I'm going to share with you how I'm going to dry it in just 5 minutes so that I can serve it up tonight as a part of my lemon myrtle chicken. If you'd like the recipe for that, I'll link the video at the end of this video. Basically, all I'm going to do is pick some of these leaves, and I should have done it this morning because they've got the most oil first thing in the morning. But as you can probably tell, it's a pretty rainy day today, so I think it'll still be pretty moist in there. So all I'm going to do is pick some of these and wash them, pat them dry with paper towel, and put them in the microwave for just 30 seconds. And then I'm going to check them and put them in for 30 seconds again until they are dried just the way I need them. Pop them into a spice grinder. And whiz bang, I have powdered lemon myrtle for tonight's delicious roast chicken. Now, if you'd like to see more of what I'm doing here, don't forget to subscribe. I'll be getting back into the pond very, very soon. And I'll also do an update soon on the stingless beehives that I split last week. So thanks for watching. Till we get into it again, have a great week.